Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Hyundai Accent GLS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, and window defogger.